So my name's Nathan Reyna. I'm at Ouachita Baptist University in Southwest Arkansas. So I teach cell biology. I'm at a primary under institution. We got about 1,500 students, and research is not our focus, but putting research into the classroom is our focus. And so I do RNA sequencing, I do exosome and cell culture research at the moment. So I like teaching, and B, I'm fairly competitive. And so I want people to know Ouachita and know how to pronounce our name, and we're a small school. And so I want to be able to others to say that you can go to a small school and get a pretty good education. And so what we do is we have students design and develop those research projects, and then they do it in the class. So right now I have 42 students doing cell culture in the classroom as cures. So it works in groups of 5. They're then take that and they develop and do their own research. We use what's called cell blocks. And so cell blocks are modules that can be mix and match. So students mix and match and design which cell blocks they want to use for their specific research project. And then they do the research. And then we take that project and we turn it into something else in the summer, or we expand upon it as an independent research project. No, I was a plant biologist. I have no training in cell culture. I have no training in bioinformatics. I just started watching YouTube videos and decided that we're going to do it. And it turns out it wasn't that hard. Yeah, so I think my recommendation would be to meet a lot of people, to be as collaborative as possible, and then to be as flexible. So people always feel like things are too hard and they don't only do what they have training in. But you should be trained on how to learn and not how to do a certain topic. And so as long as you're willing to try new things, it works out very well. Yeah, so Arkansas Embry has really helped me a lot. We have with Arkansas Embry, they built supplies, they built equipment, that we've used. I'm still leveraging the sequencing vouchers that the project uses. And so again, the schools, medical schools cannot, they want to do sequencing, but they don't have the money for sequencing. But as a PUI, I can then say, hey, I can write a grant to get your money. And so we do that and we put it in the classroom. And so to me, I'm shopping that everywhere. So my advice to other faculty, other students would be to shop your ability as a PUI to get money and do unique things that other people can't do. So it's the only place that ever works. I don't know any difference. But the biggest difference is that I don't have students forever. I usually have students for a semester. So I'm rolling about 4 new students every semester. Maybe I'll carry 1 in for the summer. But the way we're able to keep doing it is by putting it in the classroom. So they're new to my lab, but they're not new to my project or new to my ideas. Whereas graduate students, you're used to having someone for 2 to 4 years.